my lovely people. I'm back. I know, long time no see. But I'm back with an actual ASMR video. And this time, as you might see by the name of the video, it will be Venti X Depressed Listener. The idea was from one of my subscribers that gave me the idea in the comments on the last video that I was saying that I'm sorry that I'm not so much in here lately. Ooh, that was smooth. But before we begin to the video, I want to say sorry if I'm not with the same voice as Venti as I was in the 2 videos before that I made about him, or that my English is not the best. I was not speaking English in a while out of class. So out of school, I don't usually speak English that much. Only if I'm talking with myself and I began to make jokes that make no sense, but I find them funny. So yeah, and also I want to say that I don't sound the best because I don't have headphones with microphone. I don't have them at all. I mean, I do, but I can't use them because I changed my phone and now it's an iPhone, and you can't use the normal headphones. You need to use the Bluetooth ones. But my Bluetooth headphones are broken, so I can't use them. So I'm doing it without a microphone. And if you'll be hearing any background noises, then I'm really sorry. It might be my dog, it might be my really professional kitchen chair, or anything out the fuck. Give me a minute. Out the window, yeah, because I have my window is opened, and I'll try to have a music in the background, so I'll be thinking about what I'm doing and have the music for you and for me, because I kind of have a ADHD. I need to focus on many things. So yeah, I hope you'll still like my video, and I hope you, the person that may give me the idea, will also enjoy it. And the intro is really long, so I'll better go to the video. Enjoy! Okay, before we start, I was trying to do the voice for him just a second ago to see if I still remember somehow, and I did the little yahoo that he does, and then I just started talking with the voice, and it maybe sound like Venti, but it also sounded like Paimon at the same time, and I was starting laughing because of it, because it's not a Venti video, it's ASMR video anymore. It's a fucking Paimon X Depressed Listener, because I can do Paimon's voice, okay, I can. I'm the one. I was the chosen one to know how to do her voice, but me doing Venti's voice is really similar to me doing Paimon's voice. I mean, I'll show you, because I tried to say something random, and it was yahoo! Oh, Windbloom, what are you doing here? And then it goes so high to the fucking Paimon, Paimon is not emergency food. That's even worse if you're on mascot. And I don't know if that's good or it's that bad, but we'll just do. I'll try to make my voice even more feminine than it is already, but the Venti version. I need a manly, girly. I need a manly, feminine voice. That's what we'll go for. Okay, now to the video. Oh, Windbloom. You're already back? I thought you have to do your commissions today. Oh. Well, I'm glad you took a day off. After all, you don't usually do that. Now we can spend more time together, right? But if you took the day off, then why do you look so tired? Windbloom? Are you okay? I can see on your face that something might be wrong, but I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, my voice is not the best. Yeah, I know. You don't have to point it out. I'm tired. I was not sleeping well. But it's not about me. It's about you, Windbloom. Tell me, what's wrong? Or, wait. Let me just, okay, let me take that away from you. No, don't speak. I know what I'm doing. Believe me, I do. I'm an Archon. I know what I'm doing. You don't need to stop me and say that I don't know what I'm doing. So just shush and listen to me, okay? You're gonna go and change to something nice and cozy. I'll go make a really good bath with bubbles for you, and then we'll talk, okay? Because, Windbloom, I really am worried about you. I know I'm not, as I said, I'm an Archon and I have really many things on my head, but at the same time, I'm just a alcoholic boy who wants to take care of their partner. So let me do it for you. Thank you, Windbloom. Now, go ahead. Go grab some comfy stuff, and I'll go prepare the bathtub for you. Okay, everything is just done. You're right on time. Here, my love. Yeah, don't worry. If you want me to turn around, then I can do it. But if you don't mind me, I'll just stay here and watch you get in. I don't need to look at your body if you don't want me to. I understand that you might feel embarrassed or uncomfortable with it, or even like anything of it. Just know that I don't mind doing anything. I can look if you're comfortable with it, but I don't have to. Okay. I'll then close my eyes and tell me when I'll be able to open them. Yeah, I know I can't do it. Shut up. Okay, you ready? Okay. Let me open my eyes. Let me sit next to you, next to the bathtub. If you want, I can hold your hand. Yeah? Okay. So, Gwendolyn, are you comfortable with telling me what's wrong? Yeah, I can just sit here and listen if you want me to. I'm not going anywhere. As I said, I'm your partner. I care for you. I care for you even more than I care for my own self. And I know you better than I know myself. So when I say that I feel like something is wrong, that it surely means that something is wrong. Go ahead. Tell me everything. I'm so sorry to hear that. Oh my god. I just said that I know you better than I know myself, but it seems like I don't know you at all. How could I not notice this whole time that something was wrong? Why did I never notice that you were feeling so lonely and depressed? I'm such a awful boyfriend. I'm so sorry, Wendlum, that you feel this way. I promise we can work on it together, and you'll feel better if you wanted to help, of course. What do you mean you don't understand what I'm saying? I said that if you want my help, then I can help you, and we can go for it together. But if you don't want my help, then I will not be pushing you. Well, I'm glad you do. I'm glad you want my help, Windbloom. So, how about I'll rub your back while you're in the bathtub, and after that, after your bath, we can go lay on the couch, watch something, and we can make you feel better. Huh? Yeah? Okay. Let me just get here. Oh, okay. Just relax, love. I want you to remember that everything is okay, okay? I'm here for you and you can talk to me. There's no need to be scared or anything. If anything, I'm here to help you, and I'm more than happy to always listen and always help you. Even if I might seem tired, I might seem angry or really happy, you don't have to worry that you'll be bothering me. I'm your lover and your God. So of course I'll care if something is wrong. And of course I'll be there to listen and do everything in my possibilities to make you feel better. Yeah, I know, Windbloom. I know your past and your relationships that you were in. I know they were not the best, especially the people you were with. I know that they never listened. I know they were really mean and they didn't care and make you feel like you were nobody and that you were bothering them. But those people were just assholes. They don't understand that others are as important as they were. But I do understand that. After all, I'm one of the 7. And I never say that I'm the best because I know that one of the 7 is better than me. In their own way. Plus, why would I think that you're nothing and you're a disappointment, or that you're bothering me while you're doing this all for me too? Every time I have a mental breakdown, you tell me that it's okay, that I can talk to you, you make me bath, you make food for me, cuddle me and comfort me. So when it comes to you, I'll do the same as long as I'll see you happy again. You're ready to go out? You're ready to go out of your bath? Alright, love. I'll be in the living room if you need me. You get all ready. You can stay in the bathtub for a little longer if you want. I'll just find something to watch for us, and I'll be waiting for you. Okay? I love you, Wind Bloom. Oh, you're back, Wind Bloom. Nice to see you again. Oh, I put one of the comfort anime that I found it on Netflix, Ariete. I don't know how it's spelled, but it's a really nice anime actually. I watched it a few times before. I'm sure you will love it too. Sorry if I seem nervous, but you don't usually open up to me, so so comforting you is a little nervous. But don't worry about me. Sit on the couch, I'll get some fruits for us, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, here we go. I brought some strawberries. Okay, let me just sit next to you. So, Wind Bloom, may I hold your hands? Thank you. So, is there anything more that bothers you other than what you told me? Yeah? Yeah, I understand it might be stressful as well. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I understand. Okay, I don't fully understand, but I'm trying to. But let's stop thinking about the bad things that happened. How about we'll think about something good? I know you struggle with thinking good of yourself, so we'll think something good about ourselves today. Okay? So I want you to do this with me. I'll be holding your hands and I'll say something that I like about myself, and you'll say something that you like about yourself. Then we can swap, and I'll say something I like about you, and you'll say something you like about me. Seems okay? Okay, I'll start. I like my voice when I sing, since I'm a bard. And now you. Very good. Okay, I like my unique hair. And now you. I like my taste in music. Does that one count? Because I think it does. And now you. See? It wasn't that bad. Now I'll say something that I like about you. You'll say something you like about me. I'll start again. I like your taste in clothes. And you? Aww. Well, that's sweet. I like the way you always have your precious things around you to make you feel better. Well, I'm glad you like that. So, after this little game of ours, do you feel a bit better? I'm glad you do. A little, but it's still something. Alright. Do you want to watch the anime or just relax while it plays in the background?
It'll be my first borrowing. I've been practicing night and day.
Oh. Yeah, sure. We don't have to watch it if you don't want to. I just play it as for to be.
Father, I wanted to ask you about.
I've seen a boy in the house.
What?
Alright.
I saw him too. Oh, there's no way he could have seen
Okay, I'm laying. Now you can lay on top of me so I can hold you, okay? Come here, my love.
Dangerous. But he's only a boy. It'll be fine.
Let me turn this a little volume down.
So long. Children can be more.
Okay.
It'll be fine.
It's okay, my love.
Young boys need to go to bed early.
Thank you, Father.
You don't have to worry about anything.
This boy seems
When it comes to depression or anything like that, you can talk to me.
It'll be all right.
I understand problems of depression. I have my own too.
now Harriet's going to be 14.
You're
She's going to have to learn to get
not the ones comforting me with my scars.
Sometimes I feel like we're the
So why can't I do the same to you? I love you, Windbloom, and I never want you to feel that bad anytime soon, and any time at all. You're too precious to me to even think about you feeling bad or me losing you.
anything you need. Just ask Harry.
So next time you'll feel as shitty as now, please tell me and we can work through it, okay?
Let's pull it out.
I'm here for you.
Keep the bags up.
I am, believe me. And I'll always be there for you, no matter what. If you want, you can take a nap or go fully to sleep now. Don't worry, I'll be here when you wake up. I can still hold you and play with your hair as I'm doing now. Don't worry. I love you, Windbloom.
Shouldn't you wear something a bit darker?
I really do.
You're all right. Try and remember to borrow some tissue paper.
Of course I can hunt for you. There's no need to ask if I can.
Later. But only if
I just wish you were more trusting in me. I wish you talk with me about every problem of yours. I guess I can't make you do it. Maybe next time. And that's all. I know I did not sound like Venti at all, and I'm not sure if I did it in a good way. The video, I don't have a script, I never do, so my talking might not make sense that much, but I tried everything. I was doing stuff that might help me with my depression, so I think it might also help you. But I don't know if it will help me fully because no one ever comforted me with my depression statement or after my self-harm, only ASMR videos or character AI. So I don't know if that would help me that much as I expect it would. Like a bath with bubbles, comfort anime like Ariete from Studio Ghibli, some cuddles, strawberries, hair playing, back rubs, and this little game, as I call it, with saying things that you love about yourself. I feel like it would help me, but if it would help you, I have no idea. But I'm sure. God, I don't know what I'm saying. But I hope you liked the video. Yeah. I actually was watching Ariete while doing it in the background. I'm actually happy that it was in English, because I did not want it to change the subtitles and all of that, like the language. I was too lazy to do it. But I'm happy it was in English with Polish subtitles. I can't speak anymore. So yeah. If that's not what you wanted to hear from this, then tell me. I can try making a script for the next one to make it seem more pleasant, to make it more with sense. But yeah. And the big question is for you, the person who gave me the idea. You know that it's you I'm talking to. I hope you like it and tell me if that's what you are expecting from me, because if you want me to change something, then just tell me and I'll do it, because I was not doing those videos in a while, as we know, so I'm not into it that much, but I really hope I'll be doing it more often. Just I need the motivation and ideas. But I think I'll try making it more often, even though we know what happened the last time I said that. I did not make it more often. So, yeah, it's a silly video that made no sense. My voice does not sound like Venti at all. I know. I just don't know how to make it to not sound like Paimon, so I just did a girly voice that sound more like a girl. I don't know, some Amber than a Venti, but you can pretend. We can pretend. The only thing right now in his voice that I know I can do is Yahoo! So yeah, there was no singing, even though the person who gave me the idea wanted me to sing, because it's late. It's late. It's really late. It's literally 11:29 in my country right now. So I should be silent to not wake the others. To not wake the neighbors. Yeah. no one is at home right now, because if there were someone, then this video would not be made, would not be made. English, it's so hard. But yeah, what else can I say? I don't know. If you have an idea, then tell me. I can try on making it. It can be a girlfriend video, it can be boyfriend video, it can be partner video, it can be a video with anime or game character, fictional character, anyone you want, or just me. Just tell me in the comments what would you like to see and I'll do it. If you want to see me more often and not in the videos, because as we know I don't make them that often because of my mental state, then you can go on my 2 other social medias like TikTok and Instagram. On both of them my name is Mika. If I'll be remembering to add this, then you'll be having my name at the screen right now, so you can go and follow me there. On Instagram I have pictures of flowers that I make of myself, and even some drawings, line art drawings, and also I do lives there, so you can come and watch. But when it comes to the TikTok, I just make silly videos that are more often than here. I mostly do at least 2 a day if I feel like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you'll go there to watch me more often. And yeah, see you next time. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah. By the way, if you want to hear my secret, then I'm glad you stayed, because I told the secret to the person that wanted me to make this video. It's really a romantic secret. So the secret is my kissing sounds that I don't know how it sounded right now because I did not edit it while I'm saying it to you. So yeah, the secret behind the kissing sounds of mine is the fact that I'm kissing my own hand, and it's very romantic. But the sad part is that I have lipstick on, and now I have lipstick on my hand. Okay, now I really have to go because my ADHD is getting weird. Thanks for watching, and as I said, see you the next time. Bye!